Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making an origami cat. So let's get started. But before we get started, the things you'll be needing is a black piece of paper, a white pencil, or basically any light kind of pencil, and some scissors. So we'll be needing a square piece of paper. If you have a rectangular piece of paper, that's also fine because we're going to be making a square paper as well. So first, you're going to take the edge of the paper right from the corner, and we are going to roll it up to here, and now we're going to fold it . And now, we are going to cut it. I'm going to cut it from here. You can still use this paper for a bookmark, and you can also draw a picture and put it as a bookmark as well. So do not waste paper. And what we're going to do is, since this part is like some papers coming off from here, we're going to cut this part off. Yeah, that's better. So now we finished cutting it. Finished. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip our paper like this. We're going to fold it again. We're going to fold it. So we fold it once, that's half. Then we're going to fold it into one. We're going to fold it twice. So basically 1/4. Has to. Pretty easy. Folded it. Now what we're going to do is we are going to first fold this upwards. And now I'm going to take a paper, fold it like this. Right now, it looks like a puppy because of like the nose and the ears. It can also be a puppy, but we're making it a cat instead. So I'm going to flip it over like this, and we're going to adorable cat. Just going to fold this a little bit more. So it touches like that. Perfect. We've got a very adorable black cat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our white pencil and draw a little cute face. So now we're going to draw a little mouth. So we're going to go like this. We're going to do one little wave down and one more wave, basically like a W. But we know her tongue sticking out. So we're going to draw a little tongue. Like this, and do a little curve from here. How her mouth is like open. Call this part in. Perfect and super cute. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw on some cute eyes. Draw one eye over here. So we've got two cute eyes. And now we're going to draw one circle over here. And one miniature circle over here. And color in the rest, but not those two little circles. This looks much better. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to have beautiful, cute eyes. Now we're going to add some stripes. So from here, we're going to add 1 stripe, 2 stripes, and 3 stripes. I'm going to color those stripes in. Now this is the stripes, and now we are going to draw some whiskers. So let's get started with the little whiskers. 1, 2, 3 whiskers. On the side, we're going to do another 3 whiskers. 1, 2, and 3. Some cute little whiskers, but it's missing a bow and some eyelashes. You can add a few eyelashes to make it cute. Little eyebrow on top. And draw a little cute little butt. Draw a circle. And we're going to go from here. I'm going to go up. Come back down like this. And now we're going to draw another circle like this. Another circle like this. I'm going to color in the bow white. You can use another color like a yellow, like a bright color, so you can see it on black paper, like white, for example. Go in one direction, or you can go in a circular motion like this. So it comes out very beautiful. We're going to color in this. Got a little cat, but we need the inside of the ears. Okay, we're going to see if we can draw the inside of the ears. Draw the inside. Now I'm going to color in this inside of the ear. So we've got our very cute little cat right here. And I think that's pretty much it. Guys, I hope you like this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!